How to make and set avatar as your profile picture within Facebook app. So if you want to make and set avatar as your Facebook profile within Facebook app, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Play Store, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, go with search. Under search, you need to search for Facebook. After searching, you need to go and update the Facebook application. Now, after updating your Facebook, you need to go back and open up your Facebook. Now go with the top right, which has that three horizontal lines. Scroll down or just tap on profile. Here, if you tap on your profile picture, then you will have an option of make avatar profile picture. So you need to tap on make avatar profile picture and it will set your avatar as a profile picture. Or you can also just simply go back and then go with your settings and privacy and tap on settings. Under settings, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for avatar. Tap on that option, which will take you to the account center and guide you to the avatar section. And here you need to go and select any avatar that you're comfortable with. And after that, you can go with save, which is on the top right, and your avatar will be updated. Now you can go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then tap on avatar settings. And here you need to select everyone. After that, tap on done, and that's it. Now you can go back and you can set your avatar as your profile picture within the Facebook application. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.